Water is really good for your body, but many people make some mistakes when drinking it. This video will show you the secrets of a famous Russian doctor named Fedor Grigorovich, who lived to be over 100 years old. He'll teach you how to fix these mistakes and improve your health in just 7 days. Dr. Grigorovich believed that simple, natural things are the key to living a long, healthy life. Drinking water the right way is one of those things. Water is super important, but it's also a great tool to keep your body healthy and strong. So, what are the 8 secrets for drinking water the right way? Let's find out together. Secret 1. Drink a glass of water before bed to help your body repair itself. Dr. Uglow, another name for Grigorovich, says you should drink a glass of water an hour before going to bed. This isn't something most people do, but it's really helpful. While you're asleep, your body works hard to fix itself, like repairing tissues and cleaning your organs. Drinking water helps your kidneys flush out toxins, bad stuff, that build up during the day. It also keeps you hydrated through the night, since you aren't drinking anything else while you sleep. This can help your cells recover faster and make your sleep better. Just don't drink too much, or you'll have to wake up to use the bathroom, which can mess up your sleep. Secret 2. Drink water little by little, not all at once. It's not good to drink a lot of water all at once. Dr. Uglow says it's better to spread out your water intake throughout the day. This way, your body stays hydrated all the time, and your organs, like your heart and kidneys, don't have to work too hard. Drinking water regularly also helps your brain and muscles work better, because even a little dehydration can make you tired or slow down your thinking. If you drink water gradually, it's absorbed better, which helps you feel good and have more energy. Secret 3. Drink water that's not too cold. Cold water might feel nice and refreshing, but it can actually be bad for your digestion. Dr. Uglow said that cold water slows down how fast your body digests food, and it makes your organs work harder to heat the water up. Drinking warm or room temperature water helps your body digest food faster, reduces the chance of stomach cramps, and prevents getting a sudden chill. It also helps keep your body temperature steady and improves blood flow, making it easier on your immune system and digestion. Secret 4. Don't drink too much water during meals. One mistake people often make is drinking a lot of water during meals. Dr. Uglow says this is bad because it waters down your stomach acid, which makes it harder for your body to digest food and absorb nutrients. Instead, he recommends drinking water about 30 minutes before or an hour after eating. This helps the body digest food better and reduces that bloated, heavy feeling some people get after meals. It can also help with heartburn and make your tummy feel more comfortable. Secret 5. Figure out how much water you need based on your weight. It's not just about drinking more water. Dr. Uglow believed each person should drink the right amount for their body. To find out how much water you should drink each day, multiply your weight by 30-40 milliliters. For example, if you weigh 50 kilograms, you should drink around 1.5 to 2 liters a day. People who are more active or have physical jobs might need more water than someone who sits a lot. This way, you can avoid drinking too much or too little and help your body work at its best. Secret 6. Drink water before you exercise. Dr. Uglow recommends drinking water before you exercise or do anything active. This helps your muscles work better and prevents cramps. It also keeps the right balance of electrolytes, important chemicals in your body, that help your muscles move and your brain send signals. Drinking water before working out can help you exercise longer and avoid getting tired or hurt. Plus, water helps keep your body cool while you exercise, so you don't overheat, which can make you feel sick. Secret 7. Drink water slowly and mindfully. Dr. Uglow said that how you drink water is just as important as how much you drink. You shouldn't drink water quickly. Instead, Take your time and let your body absorb it slowly. When you drink slowly, the water spreads out better through your body, which helps hydrate your cells and improve your overall health. Drinking mindfully also helps prevent discomfort, like feeling bloated, which can happen if you guzzle water too fast. It can also help you feel better overall, because your body can get all the benefits of staying hydrated. Secret 8. Make sure your water is clean. Dr. Uglow believed that the quality of the water you drink is really important. Drinking water that has impurities, bad stuff in it, can harm your organs and make your immune system work too hard, which can lead to chronic, long-term illnesses. Dr. Uglow recommended drinking spring water or filtered water that's rich in minerals like calcium and magnesium. This kind of water can help keep you healthy for a long time and make your immune system stronger. If you're serious about improving your health, you can't miss what's coming next. There's one more incredible tip about water that could change everything for you. Trust me, it's something most people have never heard of. Click on the video that's on your screen right now to unlock this secret. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.